He survived the war in Syria, built a new life in America, became a pioneer in telepsychiatry, bringing mental health care to rural Pennsylvania. And in 2022, the government accused him of billing Medicare for treating dead people, for working more than 24 hours in a single day. The charges were absurd. The jury knew it. They acquitted him in hours. Railroaded, the story of Dr. Muhammad Ali Rifai. Dr. Rifai was born in Aleppo, Syria, a city later torn apart by war. He knew what it meant to survive, to flee, to rebuild, to start over. When he came to America, he became exceptional. Fellowship training at the National Institute of Mental Health, research that changed national policy, 5 active board certifications, not just a psychiatrist, a complete physician who understood the connection between mind and body. In 2006, Dr. Rifai saw a problem: rural Pennsylvania, nursing homes, the forgotten. So he pioneered something revolutionary: telepsychiatry. He built Blue Mountain Psychiatry, using technology to bring care to patients who couldn't access it any other way, people no other provider wanted to see. November 8, 2022, federal agents came for Dr. Rifai. The charges: 4 counts of healthcare fraud, not millions, 4 psychotherapy sessions, each session worth exactly $43.59, a total of $174.36. But the government extrapolated those 4 sessions across 7 years and demanded forfeiture of $1.3 million. Then came the headlines, the scandalous allegations designed to destroy his reputation. The government wanted a headline. They found their target: a minority Muslim physician of Syrian origin, solo practicing. They believed he would quickly submit to a plea agreement. They were wrong. Dr. Rifai had something the government didn't expect: legal expertise. He understood the system, and he understood something fundamental: he was innocent. The government's case rested on billing analytics, data mining, statistical outliers. They found anomalies, or what they claimed were anomalies: billing for deceased patients, documentation timing issues, billing in 2 places, clerical errors, and location codes for telehealth. More than 24 hours in a day? Billing for services provided over multiple days, a common practice in nursing homes. May 2024, after 18 months of living under indictment, Dr. Rifai went to trial. 6 days of testimony, the government's expert took the stand. And then something remarkable happened. He backtracked. The expert who was supposed to prove fraud couldn't stand behind his own analysis. Dr. Rifai's experts didn't just defend him, they dismantled the government's allegations, documentation practices, the complex reality of Medicare patients. The jury got the case. 18 months building their case, 6 days presenting evidence. The jury deliberated for hours, not days, hours. Not guilty, not guilty, not guilty, not guilty, all 4 counts. Complete acquittal, unanimous. Dr. Rifai was free. But this story doesn't end with acquittal. For Dr. Rifai, vindication wasn't enough. February 2025, he filed a lawsuit against the government. February 2025. Dr. Rifai filed a lawsuit against the United States government under the Hyde Amendment, seeking $1 million in attorney fees. Dr. Not Guilty, a memoir exposing the criminalization of medical decisions. He launched a podcast. He became an advocate. You can win. You just need to understand the basics of defense, do the homework, and go to trial. Government attack is not the end. Today, Dr. Rifai continues to practice. He mentors young physicians. He teaches others how to defend themselves. He refuses to be silenced. Here's what should terrify every physician. The case wasn't based on patient harm. It was based entirely on billing analytics, data mining, statistical anomalies. They ran his billing through an algorithm and found outliers. Then they built a criminal case without clinical context. If they can do it to Dr. Rifai, they can do it to anyone. Dr. Rifai survived a war. He survived starting over in America. He survived 18 months under federal indictment. Now he's fighting back. His message is simple: fight back. Don't plead guilty to crimes you didn't commit. Don't let fear win. Railroaded. 4 charges, $174. Acquitted in hours. Now suing for justice. Visit unbedsidemanners.com for more information.